Hello everyone. Let's discuss about IS agriculture optional question with the answer. Question is discuss the global warming and its impact on crop productivity. This question has been asked in IS agriculture optional exam 2018 for 10 marks. Let us see. The model answer is global warming. Global warming refers to long-term increase in the Earth's average surface temperature due to build-up of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere from human activities, primarily due to fossil fuel combustion and deforestation. So briefly, you have to define the global warming, and we define the global warming as a long-term increase in the Earth's average surface temperature due to the human activities. Then directly give the impact on the crop productivity. So the major part is about the impact. Impact on the crop productivity. Heat stress. Higher temperature lead to the more frequent and intense heat waves, damaging crop and reducing the yield. Drought. Warming increase the occurrence of drought, affecting water productivity or water availability for the crop. Pest and disease occurrence. Warmer temperature expand the range of pest and disease, reducing the crop yield. Soil erosion. Intense storms caused by global warming wash away fertile soil, hindering crop growth. Growing season timing. Change in the temperature affect the timing of crop growth, leading to mismatches with the pollinator availability and reducing yield. Soil fertility. Rising temperature decrease soil fertility, impacting the crop yield. Water availability. Reduce the water availability due to the climate change affect crop growth and the yield. Crop yield variability. Increased unpredictability in the crop yield makes planning and predicting harvesting difficult for farmers.